What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Y'all already know how this thing finna go. We got this guy over here in the cut, and he's partially ready to go. So today, as you guys can see, we got a little fuel issue that we're trying to figure out. I keep losing power to the fuel pump somehow. It's weird. It's like I have a low voltage to the fuel pump or some shit. Sometimes when I come in and turn the key on, I hear the fuel pump relay come on, but no fuel pump. I'll turn the key off, turn it back on, turn it off, turn it back on. It'll finally power them up. And once the car starts and goes, it's like the current never goes away. We redid all the wire into the pump. We redid, put a new relay in it, blah, blah, blah. It worked good for a couple of days, and now it's back to doing it again. So I think my next step to do now is change the pump housing. I see it's getting a little burnt up top. So that's what we're gonna do. I have a little pump housing that I wanna try. Because to get these like OEM, you can't get them like OEM online anymore. You gotta go to the junkyard or something like that. First things first is I'm gonna take mine off. As you guys can see, we'll see when I take it off, but as you see back here, it's pretty dark back here, like it's burning back there or something. And then the middle prong here is pretty black. And that's the one that kept burning here. New plug, new relay, all of this stuff has been redone. Terrence just did it up for me, and it was good for a while, but it's still doing it. So we know the problem for sure is in here. So I'm going to take this pump housing off and see what's going on in here. My shit full to the brim. This happens right as I get gas, bro. My gas tank full to the T-top. Alright, so as y'all see, this is my pump housing. And it's very dark back there, like something's burning. And then, oh! Featuring the max. And if you look in there, that middle prong is black, like it's burned. And I ain't got time for this shit to happen to me when I'm wild up and throttle or something. So we're just gonna change the top piece and put a new top piece there. But I still gotta drill and tap for this guy. Fuck. So that being the case, let me figure out what I'm gonna do at the top. Let me find my other top hat, and then come back to y'all when it's time to swap this thing over. All right, guys. So I already fixed the fuel pump in the back. Seems to be doing good so far. I also went and got my tooth pulled already, so I can't talk too loud. But I'm driving the car right now again, and it's driving pretty good. I got a new external light from my 360 camera, so I can start making more videos outside with a better sound quality. I never really posted any videos with my 360 camera because the wind has always muffled out everything, but now I got the wireless mic and the converter and all that stuff. Let's see what it sounds like now. Be rolling with it. What I'm gonna do now, since I have the dual mics, is next time I start recording, I'm gonna have one connected to the GoPro and then the one to the outside. I think I need some better quality sound with this too, because it gets pretty muffly too when the windows are down. Well, I just got done getting my tooth pulled. I got on the highway and there's a Lambo. I was running his ass down and he got off the highway. I was like, damn, that would have been great. A Lambo killed right after getting my tooth pulled. That would have been cool as hell. It is what it is though. I'm gonna get me a Lambo one day. I'm gonna get me a Lambo. I'm gonna catch one slipping and bust his ass. I forgot my head strap somewhere. I think it's in here somewhere, but I'm driving now. I literally just picked up my camera while I was driving because I already took all day to finish the video from the fuel pump earlier. I had to rush to get my tooth out. Kinda numb though. Appreciate that. G82. Went from G80 to G82. I was just following to see that M4 wanted to smoke. The M3 didn't want it, and the M4 didn't want it. The bike flashed me and turned around. Alright, I'm leaving, cuz. Made it. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap this video up now. Seems like the fuel pump is nice and fixed up now. Everything seems to be going good. I haven't had that problem where when I turn the key on, it does that. Everything seems to be fitting nice in there, nice and snug, and I haven't had that problem, so I think we're good now. Anyways, I can't do too much more talking after a tooth pull, so I'm gonna wrap this up, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what y'all want to see next, and then I'll see y'all in the next one.